Hello everyone, thanks for joining today's class, and today we want to talk about how to host multiple websites on a single web server. And um, so first we are going to create a Linux virtual machine on Azure. Let me quickly create an Ubuntu server. So but the web server we're going to use today is going to be NGINX. So let me quickly create style G. Let me create a resource group. Tests. Resource. Let me say class RG. Let me just say class RG and let me say virtual machine class VM. I don't want all these for now. So let me just go here and put password. Let me say class. I'll just use as a user. Then password. Okay, so enable this port. Then let me use not so expensive disk. Alright, so we can quickly create. So while this one is creating, I need to quickly go to GitHub, my website template that I will use in the course of this training. So these are the website template. So I'll just pick one or two or three, depending on how we want it. So this one is still deploying. So I can just let me quit my command prompt. Okay, go to resource. You can just SSH into this. There's my public IP. I can use this. Let's say, okay, SSH. Let me try it again. SSH azure out. Okay, maybe because I didn't allow it to load fully. Now we are in the VM, and first I need to update, which is sudo apt-get. This is just to avoid any dependency, any outdated dependency rather. So after that, okay, still fetching. So the next is to sudo apt install NGINX. So now that we have NGINX, we can even confirm if it is there. etc cd etc NGINX. Let me just confirm it's there. Okay, good. We have it installed. So now I can now say I want to go to the public IP. Let me just quickly check that. It's there. I should see NGINX here. Okay, good. So this means this is what we are seeing. This is what we are seeing. If you want to check, let's just check. So if you want to check via into index.nginx debian.html. Okay, so that means you can see welcome to NGINX. You can see welcome to NGINX, and you can see the information here. If you see this page, so I have nothing to do with this. I just wanted to be out. So what I want to do is I want to remove that page because I want to put my own. Remove FinR. Let me say index.nginx debian.html. Okay, good. So if I refresh this, I should see forbidden. That's good. So I can always now move what I have, but before that, I need to quickly copy my own website template that so let me just say git clone sudo git clone. Okay, because I didn't do that from the root. Alright, so I can just check. Let me check. Okay, website. Sorry, apologies for that. Okay, so I have so many websites here. I want to now, so let me check. I want to pick, let me just pick one from here. Let me pick Sky as my home page, as the first website that I want to host here. So now that I've picked that, I need to now copy to the say sudo copy var website templates for, so the content here, I'm going to push it to var HTML. Okay, good. So if I refresh this, you'll see something like this. So this is Aerosky, one of the first website that is hosted on that web server. But I also now need to create a directory here. So here I can just quickly do, let me step back a bit. Let me go to VR where I copied that to. So here I want to make a directory. Sudo make directory. So the other one I want to do, let me just use wedding bells. So let's say wedding bells, make directory, wedding bells. Okay, so we have, let me check, is it there? So okay, so we can now say, if I slash this, let me remove that first, that's too much. Sudo remove echo, that's too much. Let me create a simple one. Sudo make directory weddings. Alright, that's fine. So I have weddings. So I don't want to move the wedding bells template to weddings. Let me clear the wedding bells template. I want to move it to wedding. So I can say cd VAR website template / wedding bells. So I can now say copy. We use sudo copy -r, sudo copy -r. I can save websites templates wedding bells free. Let me paste this. Wait, move it to HTML var weddings. Don't forget. Okay. So now that we have that, let's test it. Still. So let's just test it. Weddings. Good. So I hope this helps someone in your cloud journey how to host multiple websites on a single web server.